Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Rugged Rundown. And auto mechanics, don't buy this laptop if you're looking for a work machine. That's right, do not buy this laptop, auto mechanics. And this example is a standard retail Apple MacBook Pro. I wanted to show you this. You would never want to buy this if you're working in a mechanic shop. The ports are not going to be there for you. And let me tell you something. Can you imagine dropping this on the shop floor and what would end up happening? Not to mention, what about your greasy fingers or just grime in the shop? This keyboard is not going to survive, and this screen, touchscreen, would never make it for you. What I think you should buy is something like maybe the Panasonic Toughbook CF33. Now let's take a look here. You notice it's much thicker, but guess what? This thing's made of metal. You can drop this, and your greasy fingers are not going to bother this sealed keyboard or this touchscreen. And hey, take a look at this. Now you have a fully functional tablet that has the ports that you need to test your cars. So as an auto mechanic, you're going to want that fully rugged laptop. But if it's budgeted that's concerning, look at this. This is even a better choice than the standard retail laptop. The Dell Latitude 5424. Again, it's a semi-rugged unit, but your grimy fingers, it's going to withstand a certain amount of grime and dirt. And yeah, look at these rubber bumpers. You could drop this on the shop floor and pick it up and go right back to work. I guarantee you you're not going to be able to do that with this. Even if you're looking for something even smaller, the 7214. Take a look at this laptop. This is even a better choice, and it has a screen that spins. Take a look at that, and you can pop it down. Now I have a tablet convertible laptop. Even this is a better choice than your standard retail laptop. I hope you learned something with this video, guys. Please leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week.